Dryer duct cleaning. Starting from the roof exhaust, go ahead and start by removing the cap. Lifting a few tabs, you should be able to remove the cap. However, if painted, go ahead and cut them open, or if screwed, then unscrew them off. By removing the cap, you're able to see how clogged the dryer ducting is. From the outside, exterior vent. The way I have it set up. The dryer is on, and the exhaust is fuming out. In addition, I also have a vacuum for suction and collection of debris. While everything is on, I am going to run my dryer rods through the ductwork as far as I can, to unclog anything between me and the dryer. Keep going into the ducting, as far as you can. As I get deeper and deeper into the ducting, you will start to see more and more loose debris flying out towards me. This is a good sign that I am getting everything out of the ducting as it is being properly ventilated. As you can see, there is a lot of debris and lint exiting the dryer exhaust. This, in most cases, is what causes dryer failures and the need of an appliance company to come out and take a look at the dryer. In some cases, the need to replace dryers altogether. However, just a little maintenance goes a long way. This duct is actually about 6 feet deep, until it reaches the dryer. And remember to keep things tidy on the roof, as it was raining, so you don't run the risk of injury or falling off. Getting your dryer ducting cleaned yearly, you increase dryer efficiency, save on energy cost, save on drying time, and prevent the heating element in dryers from overheating. Once you reach a certain point, you will start yielding less and less flying debris. This is a clear sign that you are just about finished. However, I continued going back and forth, just to be sure. Alright, now it's time for the main focus of this cleaning, which is the outside exterior vent that was preventing airflow. If you were smarter than me, you would have brought a small trash bag to pick this out. However, I was unfortunate, so I used my vacuum cleaner to pick out the debris. You can save just a bit more on time. Remember to keep your workstation clean. Once I finished cleaning the vent cap, just pop it back on and call it a day. For this cap, if you remembered, there were tabs that I lifted. The lifted tabs just slip back into the slots of the cap. Afterwards are folded down to hold the cap in place.